One activity was left there, so just listen it. The aim of the activity is to comprehend the cause of season on the earth, and the materials required here are rubber ball, push pins, marker, a bulb and a stick. Then procedure or method. Draw a circle around the middle of the ball to represent the equator, and dots on the north pole and the south pole. So in the middle of the ball, draw a circle which can represent equator, and the two end of the ball make a point which can represent south pole and north pole. Now push the stick through the center so as to join the two poles, which can represent the axis of the earth. Now place a pin which can represent a person. This pin is representing a person. One pin midway between the equator and the north pole, and another between the equator and the south pole. दो पिन लगाना है, एक इक्वेटर और नॉर्थ पोल के बीच में एंड दूसरा इक्वेटर एंड साउथ पोल के बीच में. This pin is representing a person. Now light the bulb and place it on the center of your table. Now move the earth around the bulb at a tilted axis. जो हम लोग एक एक्सिस लगाए उसके थ्रू मूव करेंगे, because earth is rotating, so we have to make a move on this earth. Make sure the tilt does not change while moving. Now observation. Check the person represented by the push pin. जो दो पिन हम लोग लगाए थे उसको चेक करना है. At the beginning of the movement, the two push pin in the northern hemisphere and in the southern hemisphere both, and after moving half the orbit. What happens when the sun shines directly on the person on the top half of the earth? These conditions, it signifies summer for the northern hemisphere, when you will notice that the sun rays are directly falling on it, and which represent the summer season here. And on the other part, the southern hemisphere, at the same time, the indirect rays of the sun, which represents winter. And as you move the earth halfway along its orbit, the situation get reversed. It representing winter in northern hemisphere and summer in southern hemisphere. So by the help of light which falls on the earth, which is representing by the ball, we can see that the light which falls directly on the ball, the part at which it falls directly, there is more sunlight and it is experiencing summer season in that area. And the person also living there, they can feel hotness because of the summer season. At the same time, in other hemisphere, the person will feel winter season, they will experience winter season. So this is to demonstrate that the causes of season on the earth.